PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday morning, the 17th day of September. Once again, Alabama's weather looking nice and calm and quiet for a few days. Let's go right to some Skycam shots, and I thought I'd show you these I grabbed yesterday. These are from the Skycam network as the sun was going down during the 6 o'clock news. You know, the days are getting shorter. That's a sign of the times. You know, the equinox is Monday of next week. That's the official arrival of fall. 12 hours of daylight, 12 hours of darkness. That's the view coming from Cullman. Tuscaloosa's camera there looks like a cloud kind of getting in the way, but making for a nice scene there. That's the view from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse, and boy, that's nice. Yes, sirree, like that shot. That's the view from Gulf Shores. The sun going down from the Phoenix All Suites, the sun going down over the Little Lagoon, which is there on the right. The Gulf of Mexico is on the left. So nice. All right, this morning there's our water vapor satellite imagery, and if you look real carefully, again, you can see some low clouds that have been pesky. They were over East Alabama yesterday. Looks like they've expanded back to the west a little bit with that wedge, the easterly flow. So tricky. And we will assume those will burn off today and will break out in the low 80s. Yesterday we stayed in the 70s all day, but if the low clouds don't break, same deal, we'll be in the 70s. And in this kind of pattern, the cooler temperatures will be on the Georgia border, warmer temperatures on the Mississippi border. And this morning, because of the clouds, pretty uniform out there, readings mostly in the 60s. We note Muscle Shoals sitting at 58. They are clear. And again, good to see some 30s up there around the Great Lakes. I see a 34 up there in the UP in Michigan. They're more than likely having some frost. And look at all the 20s up there in Canada as we get closer and closer to fall. Expected rain around the country for the next 5 days. Not much here. I don't think it rains at all. If anything, nothing more than a few sprinkles. This is valid through Monday evening of next week. Heaviest rain just off the Atlantic coast. The tropics are quiet. So let's take a look at the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid at 1 o'clock today. We've got the westerlies are most active over Canada. Down below that, we've got a surface high that is just northeast of Detroit. And again, that wedge thing is going on. Got an easterly flow down here. So again, it might be a little more cloudy-ish on the eastern side of the state and cooler there. And that's going to be the theme here. We've got that big high sitting over the coast of Maine with the wedge going on. So again, probably low 80s for West Alabama, maybe upper 70s for the eastern side. And kind of the same thing on Saturday. All of the good moisture down south looks like we'll stay dry. Sunday, same deal. Moisture shows up down over southwest Alabama, but not around here, really down Interstate 59 from Meridian down to New Orleans. Monday of next week, dry for the northern half of the state, as is Tuesday of next week. These big highs keep moving down into New England and kind of nosing down in here from the northeast. So certainly it's not going to be very warm for September. Temperatures should average a bit below normal. Wednesday of next week, ridge kind of building there. And that might suggest we'll warm up a little bit. But again, you got that 1,036 millibar high on the coast of Maine with the wedge going on. So that will be the theme for a while. And Thursday of next week, same deal. And not quite sure what that thing is just off the Atlantic coast. What the flow will be driving. If there's something there, it's going to be driven back into the coast. Not sure if that's trying to suggest some backyard tropical type development or not, but the Gulf looks pretty free of any issues. And let's go to the end of the cycle, October the 3rd. Westerlies are digging deeper, as they do in October, and down below. Again, we note the GFS trying to show some type of tropical low around the western tip of Cuba. And we do expect one more pulse up in the tropics before this whole season is over, and that's about the time it should happen. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. Notes on the blog. I will not be able to do an afternoon video today because of the travel schedule. We'll be back with the regular 2-a-day schedule tomorrow on Friday. So that's it for the Weather Xtreme video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.